What's up guys? Welcome to our second tutorial on how to build a WordPress website. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link a domain name with your Bluehost or WordPress website. So let's go ahead and start. As you guys can see, here's our Bluehost websites page. So to connect the domain name with your Bluehost WordPress website, click connect domain. So you're gonna find your link like this. Click connect domain. After that, it's gonna take you to this page. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna click you use a domain not listed if you don't see your domain there, and then if you bought your domain from GoDaddy, go to connect external domain and then search your domain. For example, I'm gonna search marvguide.com like this and click submit. And as you guys can see, I'm using this domain. So once you find your domain, I can, for example, type marvguide1.com like this and click submit, and I'm gonna be able to find this domain, for example, and click connect to the website. So now this page will take us to an external website, for example GoDaddy or any other website that says domain names. So all we have to do now is wait. And now, as you guys can see, it's asking if we do have an email or any services currently connected to this domain. We're gonna click no. And then we're gonna verify connection first. Click connect without verification. And then we're gonna click finish connection. So the reason why we can't connect the domain here is because we don't have this. We didn't buy this domain name, but it's gonna take you to an external website. If it's GoDaddy, you have to connect to your account, and then you will be able to link your account without any issues. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to visit our official website, the marvguide.com. So that's it for this video. See you guys on the next one.